Bin kon anus embroidery sewing machine bin ashole anus bin palot anus. Bin shahoj anus bin toshno anus. Bin kintu anus bin utot anus bin dite anus bin gale anus bin akatu anus bin katakati anus bin kotote anus danda bin ajoke anus bin shete anus bin kadi anus. Product number 1, Brother XM 2701. Let's start with the Brother XM 2701, a lightweight, full-featured machine that caught my attention because it's priced under $170 but still feels solid. It's from Brother, a brand known for reliability, and even though it's basic, it includes 27 built-in stitches and 6 presser feet. If you want an affordable entry point into sewing with room to grow, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin save so much time, especially if you're new and still getting used to threading. The 27 stitches cover everything from basic straight stitches to decorative and stretch options, which means you can handle hemming jeans, sewing dresses, or even light home decor. Plus, the free arm design makes it easy to sew sleeves and cuffs. Over 8,000 people bought this in the last month, which tells you it's popular for a reason. Now, some people complained about the lack of embroidery functionality, and that's fair. This isn't an embroidery machine. It's a traditional sewing machine. If you're looking to add monograms or intricate designs, this won't cut it. But if you're mainly sewing and maybe want to dabble in simple decorative stitches, it's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner on a budget who wants a reliable, no-frills machine that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you actually need embroidery, this won't do that. For pure sewing value though, it's hard to beat at this price. Product number 2, Brother XR 9550. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want more stitch variety and a bit of tech. The Brother XR 9550 is a computerized machine with 165 built-in stitches, including 55 alphanumeric ones, and it comes with a wide table and LCD display. Here's why this matters for you. The LCD screen lets you see exactly which stitch you're selecting, and the 110 utility and decorative stitches mean you can tackle everything from quilting to garment making with precision. The wide table gives you space to work on larger projects, and the 8 included presser feet cover zippers, buttonholes, and even quilting. Plus, it still has that jam-resistant drop-in bobbin and automatic needle threader, small things that make a huge difference when you're in the middle of a project. Now, some users mention the plastic parts feel a bit flimsy compared to all-metal builds. And honestly, I noticed that too, especially around the cover. But here's the thing, for home use, it's more than durable enough. This isn't an industrial machine, and it wasn't built to be. It's meant for hobbyists and serious sewers who want features without going pro. This is perfect for you if you're stepping up from a basic machine and want more control, stitch options, and a larger workspace. Skip this one if you need actual embroidery. Again, this is still just sewing. But for quilting and detailed garment work, it's a fantastic upgrade. Product number 3, Brother CS7000X. Now, if the XR 9550's plastic build bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Brother CS7000X, it's also around $330, but it features a full metal frame and fixed needle bar, which means better stitch consistency and durability. It has 70 built-in stitches and comes with a wide table, 10 presser feet, and even a protective hard case. Here's why this matters for you. The metal frame reduces vibration, so your stitches stay clean even at higher speeds. The larger needle-to-arm workspace is a game changer if you're working on quilts or bulky items, no more struggling to fit fabric under the arm. And the improved automatic needle threader is genuinely easier to use than older models. Over 3,000 units sold recently show it's a favorite among quilters and intermediate sewers. That said, a few buyers noted the learning curve with the computerized interface, especially if you're used to dials instead of buttons. It's not complicated, but it takes a little getting used to. Also, like the others, this is still not an embroidery machine. But if you're focused on sewing and quilting, that's not a flaw, it's clarity. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy, reliable machine with room to grow into quilting or larger projects. Skip this one if you're looking for embroidery or wireless features, But for pure sewing performance with a solid build, this one stands out. Product number 4, Brother SE700. Alright, now we're getting into the real deal, the Brother SE700. This is the first machine on the list that actually does embroidery. At around $695, it's a combo sewing and embroidery machine with 135 built-in designs, 103 stitches, and a 4x4 hoop area. It also has Wi-Fi, a 3.7 touchscreen, and works with the Artspira app. Here's why this matters for you. If you've been wanting to personalize gifts, make custom patches, or add monograms to towels, this is where you start. The wireless LAN lets you send designs directly from your phone or computer, no more USB sticks. The touchscreen makes editing and previewing designs intuitive, and the automatic needle threader works flawlessly. With 2,000 plus sold recently, it's clear people are loving the combo functionality. Now the downside, the 4x4 hoop is small. If you want to embroider large designs like on a jacket back, you'll be limited. Some users also said the software setup can be tricky at first, but once it's running, it's smooth. And honestly, for the price, this is one of the best entry-level embroidery machines out there. This is perfect for you if you want both sewing and embroidery in one machine without spending over $1,000. Skip this one if you need a larger hoop or professional-grade speed. But for hobbyists wanting to explore embroidery, this is the sweet spot. Product number 5, Singer 4452 Heavy Duty. Finally, the Singer 4452 Heavy Duty, a powerhouse built for tough fabrics. Priced around $320, it comes with an extension table, 110 stitch applications, and a motor that can handle denim, canvas, and multiple layers at 1,100 stitches per minute. It's not an embroidery machine, but it's built like a tank. Here's why this matters for you. If you're sewing heavy materials, think upholstery, bags, or thick jeans, this machine won't slow down. The full metal frame keeps it stable, and the enhanced piercing power means no skipped stitches. The included extension table and bonus feet like the walking foot and blind hem foot add serious versatility. It's a workhorse, plain and simple. The downside, it's loud, really loud. And it doesn't have an automatic needle threader, you'll be threading manually, which can be annoying. Some users also said the LED light is weak, but if you're prioritizing strength over bells and whistles, these are minor trade-offs. This is perfect for you if you work with thick fabrics or need a durable machine for frequent use. Skip this one if you want embroidery or quiet operation. But for raw sewing power, this Singer delivers. So which one should you pick? The XM2701 if you're on a tight budget and just starting out. The XR9550 or CS7000X if you want more stitches and better build quality. The SE700 if you actually need embroidery. And the Singer 4452 if you're sewing heavy materials regularly. Each has its place, it just depends on what you're really trying to do.